Have you ever wondered why French butter is so revered by chefs and food enthusiasts around the world? It's not just a happy coincidence or a matter of tradition. The secret lies in the lush green pastures of the French countryside, where cows graze on nutrient-rich grass, producing high-quality milk. French butter's exceptional quality comes from a dedication to traditional methods and a focus on using the very best ingredients. The process starts with fresh cream, which is allowed to ferment slightly, giving the butter its unique tangy flavor. From the cream to the churning process, every step in creating French butter is designed to produce a rich, flavorful, and unforgettable culinary experience. The traditional churning process, often done by hand, ensures that the butter retains its creamy texture and rich taste. French butter is known for its higher fat content compared to other butters, which contributes to its creamy texture and rich mouth feel. This higher fat content, often around 82%, is a key factor in what makes French butter so special. This higher fat content also allows the butter to melt more slowly, making it ideal for baking and cooking. When used in pastries, it creates flaky layers that are simply irresistible. The result is pastries with flaky layers and sauces with a luxurious, velvety consistency. Whether it's a croissant, a sauce, or a simple piece of bread, French butter elevates every dish to a new level of culinary excellence. The journey to creating exceptional French butter begins with sourcing the highest quality cream. French dairy farms, often small and family-run, prioritize the well-being of their cows. These cows graze on lush pastures, contributing to the rich flavor of their milk. The milk undergoes a gentle separation process to extract the cream. This cream, rich and flavorful, forms the foundation upon which the exquisite taste of French butter is built. The freshness of the cream is paramount, ensuring that the final product retains the pure, unadulterated taste of its origins. One of the key steps that sets French butter apart is the fermentation process. Fresh cream is combined with carefully selected bacterial cultures, then allowed to rest at a specific temperature. This crucial step allows the cream to develop complex flavors and aromas. During fermentation, the bacteria break down lactose, or milk sugar, into lactic acid. This process not only enhances the butter's flavor, but also contributes to its longer shelf life. The time and temperature of fermentation are carefully controlled, ensuring the development of the desired taste and texture. Churning. From cream to butter. The transformation from fermented cream to butter takes place in the churn. This process is both an art and a science, requiring precision and patience. Traditional churns were large wooden barrels rotated by hand, often requiring significant physical effort and time. But modern methods use temperature-controlled stainless steel tanks, which allow for more consistent results and less manual labor. As the churn rotates, the fat molecules in the cream begin to clump together. This is the initial stage of butter formation. The churning process requires a delicate balance of speed and time. Too much speed can disrupt the process, while too little can prolong it unnecessarily. Churn too quickly, and the butterfat may not properly separate, leading to a less desirable texture and consistency. Churn too slowly, and the butter may become grainy, lacking the smooth, creamy texture that is ideal. As the churning progresses, the cream thickens and eventually separates into two distinct components, buttery solids and a milky liquid called buttermilk. This separation is crucial for achieving the perfect butter consistency. The finishing touches, washing and salting. This is a crucial step in the butter making process that ensures the final product is both delicious and long-lasting. Once the churning is complete, the butter is carefully removed from the churn and washed. This step is essential to remove any remaining buttermilk, which can spoil the butter if left behind. Cold water is gently poured over the butter, rinsing away any remaining buttermilk. The water should be cold to help solidify the butter and make it easier to handle. This washing process ensures that the butter has a clean, fresh flavor and extends its shelf life. By removing the buttermilk, we prevent the butter from becoming rancid too quickly. After washing, salt is typically added to the butter. The amount of salt can be adjusted based on taste preferences. Salt enhances the butter's flavor and acts as a natural preservative. It helps to draw out any remaining moisture and adds a delightful taste. The amount of salt added can vary depending on personal preference or regional tradition. Some people prefer a lightly salted butter, while others enjoy a more robust, salty flavor. Finally, the butter is shaped into blocks or rounds, ready to be enjoyed. This final step not only makes the butter look appealing, but also makes it easier to store and use. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.